Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have studied about aluminium smelting and chemical industries. Today we are going to discuss about chemical fertilizers. In our country, mainly the fertilizers industry is centered around the production of nitrogenous fertilizers, mainly urea. Urea is produced in our country, and also the chemical fertilizers are situated around the phosphatic fertilizer and aluminum phosphate, DAP, and complex fertilizer, which is a combination of nitrogen and phosphate. It is known as NPK. It is used in agriculture, you know about it. We produce more urea in our country, and other phosphate and potash, its reserve is not there in our country. We mainly import it from the other country, and in our country 57 factory of nitrogenous fertilizer is there, and 29 industries are of urea production is there, and these industries are located in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, in this area. Now next topic which we are going to discuss, it is about cement industry. Now the topic is cement industry. In our country, first cement industry was set up in Chennai in 1904, and after independence the number of cement company increased in our country, and with the help of new technology, modern technology, many industries set up in our country in India. There are 128 large cement company in our country, and 332 small or mini industry of cement is there. What are the things which we use in making cement? It is given, and a question may be asked in your exam. This industry requires bulky and heavy raw material like limestone, silica, alumina, and gypsum, and for heating them coal and electric power is required, and for transportation it is not easy to transport the heavy material. That is why a railway is used for transportation. The next topic is automobile industry. Students, you know that how important is transportation for us, and in our country every type of transport or automobile production is there, and in this industry mainly for making their engine, the different part, iron and steel is used, and it is a industry which provides employment to large number of people. There are many industrial area in our country in which different parts of the automobiles are made. means automobiles are not manufactured at any one place. It is assembled at one place, like in Maharashtra. Next topic which we are going to study, it is about automobile industry. Automobile industry means the transport. For transportation we utilize different means of transport. They are made in automobile industry. In any one industry it is not made. The different parts of the vehicles, they are made in different industry. Mainly its engine and its handle, its kick, many parts are there, its wheel, they are made in different industry. There are many industrial area in our country, like in Chennai, in Maharashtra, in Gujarat, in Karnataka. Many places are there where automobile industry is there. MIDC area, like MIDC area, Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation, they produce different part of the automobiles and they assemble them and they make automobile which we utilize for our transportation, for going from one place to another place. In this way, it plays very important role in transporting things and also in the transportation of goods, materials and passenger from one place to another place. That is why it is very important. And there are investment from the foreign country in our India. That is why, due to advanced technology and foreign investment, we have developed in this industry with the help of foreign investment. Next topic is information technology and electronic industry. As you know, this industry is very, very important, which we use in communication, and in this industry different things are made, like transistor, television, telephone, cellular telecom, pagers and telephone exchange, radar, computer. These all things are made in electronic industry or information technology industry, and it is mainly starts or its main location is in Bangalore. After Bangalore, it was started in other states like Mumbai, Pune. In Mumbai, Pune, it is in Maharashtra, and also in Haryana and Coimbatore. Many places are there where its industries are located, and with the help of other country we have developed our information technology industry, and in present time we are exporting the things from our country to another country, the condition of our information technology and electronic industry is so good. The next topic which we are going to discuss, it is industrial pollution and environmental degradation. Due to industrialization, we overutilize the raw material, the natural resources available in our nature, and many industries are there which produce lot of smoke, and they use lot of water in producing the things, and they are polluting environment by polluting air, water, and also they are making too much noise. In this way, they are disturbing the natural way of living. In our book, 4 type of pollution is given: air pollution, water pollution, thermal pollution, and noise pollution. Due to the smoke which comes out from the chimney of the industry, they pollute the environment, they make the environment dirty, and we get many problems, many diseases related to our lungs, heart, and water also polluted by the industries like paper factory. They utilize a different type of chemical while they make paper. They use woods, and they clear large number of forest, and they broke the wood into small pieces, then boil them, and then they add some chemical in that to make white, and when they produce many chemicals, they remain in the water, and they discharge that water after treating them. Then also there are many chemical, the bad smell of the water remain, and that water they go into the rivers, and the remaining water of the river also get polluted by that water. Many plants they set up to clean that water, but they do not take out the chemical which mixed in the water. In this way, water pollution is there, and there is no way to make them clean. And also thermal pollution is there. Thermal pollution, in that heat water they discharge in the river. Due to that, many aquatic animal die. And noise pollution, they make lot of noise, the running of the machines, the falling of the material, the number of truck they use in the factory, and lot of smoke also comes from that trucks from the transportation. Lot of noise comes, and you can hear noise of that factory if you will stay far away from the industrial area. Then also you can listen the sound coming from the industry. In this way, these pollutions are creating problem for us. Many steps have been taken from the government, but not every industry is following that rules and regulation, and more corruption is there. That is why we are not successful in controlling pollution in our country.